This 2023 Newmar Ventana is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, make note of your recliners, as well as your sofa, which can be converted into a bed. Above this is a TV on a televator. Next to this, you'll find your kitchen with a sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a small dishwasher, and a fridge. Across from this is a pull-out dinette. Continuing into the back, you'll find your master bedroom with a king-size bed. Adjacent to this is your master bathroom with a washer and dryer, as well as a 2-person vanity. There's a second bathroom located at the entrance to the bedroom. It has an 8.9-liter Cummins engine with 400 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. Returning outside, make note of your exterior TV. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.